At Tuono Blu from Belladea Skincare, we offer the finest quality, natural supplements that will heal your body and mind. From vitamin D3 to omega-3, our scientists studied diets and genetics to create a unique multivitamin containing all of the key nutrients that women need. Backed by cutting-edge scientific studies, our supplement range will help improve your stress levels, resolve nutrient shortfalls, and maintain healthy energy, immunity, and skin. Tuono Blu by Belladea Skincare. Natural supplements that will make you look and feel incredible.